Hi everyone. At Bitcot, we are an AI and automation company, and as an AI implementer, we'll look at both low-code and pro-code solutions. Today we're going to build an AI-powered email assistant to automatically handle employee inquiries using a low-code tool like n8n. At the end of this demo, we want anyone to be able to quickly build, and also we will review pricing at the end. Looking for an easy way to automate workflows and integrate your favorite apps? Meet n8n, a free, open-source workflow automation tool that lets you automate tasks across hundreds of apps and services without writing a single line of code. From simple automations to complex workflows, n8n makes it easy to connect your apps and streamline your processes. Let's get started by creating our first workflow and automate like a pro. Ready to transform the way you work? Let's dive into n8n and create something awesome. This is the n8n editor, where we build our workflows. And these are a few, but sufficient, triggers provided by n8n. Let's create a simple workflow that responds to employees' emails. This workflow acts as an HR assistant, triggered when an employee's email is received in the hour's email address, and responds based on the LLM prompt. First, we'll create a trigger point using the Gmail trigger node. Configure it by adding credentials. As soon as a new email arrives, this Gmail node is triggered and fetches the email content. Next, we'll add an LLM node to craft a response. Configure the LLM node with the desired prompt. The email content is sent to the LLM to generate a response. After the LLM generates the response, we'll add the Gmail response node to send the email reply. Lastly, we'll add another Gmail node to mark the email as unread, so the Gmail trigger node won't process it again. Now, let's test the workflow by activating it. Here, the HR receives an email about a leave request. This is how the entire process works. As you can see, the response to the email regarding the leave request has been sent to the employee. Now, let's talk about n8n's pricing. n8n offers both a free open-source version, which you can self-host and fully customize, and a cloud version for those who prefer a hosted solution. We hope you found this valuable. We're committed to sharing more insights on AI implementations, so stay tuned for upcoming videos. If we can support you in any way on your AI or automation journey, don't hesitate to reach out. Connect directly with our founder, Raj Songvi, via email at raj@bitcot.com or send him a text at 858-943-8545. We'd love to help.